everyone! Well, it's Halloween and today we're going to be making Martha. Isn't she wonderful? She is, and she's just something a little bit different. It's a sweet treat, and the reason there's not a lot of sweets in because I've eaten them basically. So I'm going to show you how I made it. Made from, well, a plant pot, as easy as that. And I painted her black. And then this, it's just a clear plastic ball. So that just fits on the bottom. I'll just pop that out of the way for the moment. And then some fabric. Instead of sewing it, I'm going to glue gun it. So here's my glue gun. I'll turn it on and put the glue there and just wait for it a moment. I'll turn it on its side and wait. And then I'm going to fold each side and just glue down there. You can iron it, but I'll just go down and glue there and glue down there and fold down, and it will wrap round there. What are you doing, Alfie? You watching? She's got a little jacket on. She's got a little cloak on. And then just put her. I need to put her. And now the hat. Now the hat is actually just made of the top or the base of the plant pot. What you get from a plant pot holder. I've got the plastic one, and then I've painted it black. Get some felt. Ta-da! In my box underneath. And get some of this. Seriously, I can't remember how I did it. Is it like that? There we go. Right, there we go. So, last off, what we need to do is I think that looks really nice. What do you think? Two witches.